And honestly, like 90% of those opinions are just, they are not based on anything real. They're just, it's noise. One of the smartest things intended parents can do, and I'm just now understanding this, is learn to filter. Because the amount of opinions that come at you when you're doing surrogacy is, it's kind of insane. Family, friends, co-workers, random people online, they're the worst, by the way. And honestly, like 90% of those opinions are just, they are not based on anything real. They're just, it's noise. And the thing is, not every opinion deserves a seat at your table. Like your aunt who saw one surrogacy documentary in 2016 doesn't get the same weight as your dream. The comment section on a TikTok doesn't get the same weight as your doctor. Random concern from a coworker who's never been through anything like this doesn't get to, live in your decision making. That's just noise that sounds like it cares. So the filter is pretty simple, right? Is this person informed? Are they coming from a place of like actual knowledge or experience? Or are they just uncomfortable and projecting that onto me? Because once you separate emotional noise from useful input, your decision gets, cleaner, like actually cleaner. I started doing this with just like, the research itself, and it changed everything. So everyone's got an opinion. Cool. That doesn't mean it's useful. Filter it. Keep the informed stuff. And I'm like maybe 80% good at that right now, but it's getting better.